Kick-in-proof door upgrades can reduce your home insurance premiums and improve coverage terms when documented correctly. Reinforced doors work by combining a solid core or metal skin slab with a heavy-duty jamb, long-throw deadbolts, and hinge reinforcement to resist forced entry. Start by matching upgrades to your policy language. Many insurers list acceptable features such as steel or solid wood doors, 3-inch screws in strike plates, and Grade 1 locks. Photograph each stage of the project, keep receipts that describe materials and labor, and record serial numbers for any certified locks so you have clear proof if you file a claim. Schedule an on-site inspection with your insurer or agent after installation because an official verification often triggers a premium review or a one-time credit. If your insurer requires specific products, ask for model numbers and installation details in writing to avoid disputes later. For do-it-yourself installations, follow manufacturer torque and screw length specifications and consider a professional for jamb reinforcement to ensure the upgrade meets resistance standards and will be accepted by underwriters. The most common mistake is assuming any new door qualifies for a discount. Check policy clauses and supply exact product details to avoid denial. Another frequent issue is poor documentation. Solve that by creating a dated folder with before and after photos, receipts, and installer contact information so the insurer can verify the work quickly. A third problem is improper installation that undermines security. Prevent that by using certified installers or following manufacturer instructions precisely and arranging an insurer inspection to confirm compliance. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and discuss projects with other members in our community. We also help contractors connect with homeowners seeking work and manage project details together.